Want to ensure your Shopify store stays compliant with privacy laws without any complex setup? Here's how to seamlessly integrate the Shopify Privacy API using Seers AI in just a few easy steps. First, log into your Shopify store and open the Seers app installed on your store. Next, go to the Account Setup section in Apps and copy the email ID used for the account. Now, head over to the Seers AI login page. Paste the same email ID. Once inside the Seers AI dashboard, go to the Cookie Consent section. You will head towards Domain section, select your desired domain, then click the Customize tab, then go to the Preferences bar. Under the Framework section, enable Shopify Privacy API integration. Save your changes. Now, go to your Shopify website. Inspect the page and open the Console tab in your browser's Developer Tools and refresh the page. Now, type this in the Console section, Window, Shopify, Customer Privacy, Get Tracking Consent, and you'll see a message, No interaction. Now, accept all cookies from the cookie banner on your site. You'll see the Shopify website begin to receive consent data. Try it again. This time, disable all cookies using the cookie banner. You'll now see that Shopify Privacy also stops tracking cookies, proving the integration is working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and verified the Shopify Privacy API integration with Seers AI. No manual coding, no compliance risk, just simple, smart consent management.